Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic, a compact car that continues to set the standard in its class. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or a prospective buyer, you'll want to stick around as we unpack everything this iconic model has to offer. Overview: a timeless favorite refreshed. The Honda Civic has long been celebrated for its balance of practicality, value, and driving pleasure. For 2025, Honda has refreshed the Civic with subtle styling updates and a groundbreaking hybrid variant, earning it another spot on the prestigious 10 Best Cars list. Key highlights. The Civic Hybrid debuts with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, producing 200 horsepower and achieving an impressive 49 mpg combined. Non-hybrid models now feature a 150 HP 2.0-liter engine, focusing on efficiency but with less pep than previous models. Available in sedan and hatchback body styles, the Civic maintains its agile handling and refined ride quality. However, competition is fierce, with rivals like the Hyundai Elantra, Toyota Prius, and Toyota Corolla bringing their A-game. Let's see how the Civic stacks up. What's new for 2025? Designing tweaks. Redesigned headlamps and a revised bumper give the Civic a fresh, modern look. Hybrid powertrain, now available on Sport and Standard on Sport touring trims. Streamlined engine lineup. The turbocharged 1.5-liter engine and manual transmission are discontinued for non-sport trims. Pricing and trims. The Civic offers a variety of trims to suit every budget and preference. Here's a quick breakdown. Trim body style price. Alex sedan $25,345. Sport sedan $27,345. Sport hatchback $8,545. Sport hybrid sedan $29,845. Sport touring hybrid sedan/hatchback $32,845. $34,045. For the best mix of performance and features, the Sport hybrid sedan or hatchback is our top pick. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2025 Civic lineup offers two powertrain options. Hybrid, 200 HP combined from a 2.0-liter engine and electric motors. Front-wheel drive only. 0-60 mph in 6.2 seconds, making it quicker than the Civic Si. Regenerative braking improves efficiency, though it's unclear if one-pedal driving is supported. Non-hybrid, 150 HP 2.0-liter engine paired with a CVT. Lower acceleration, 0.9 seconds, but offers smooth, efficient city driving. No matter the variant, the Civic's sharp handling and balanced ride remain standout features. Then fuel economy. Efficiency is a Civic hallmark. The Civic Hybrid, 49 mpg combined with 50 mpg in the city and 47 mpg on the highway. Non-hybrid Civic LX up to 41 mpg highway. In real-world testing, the Sport Touring Hybrid Sedan achieved 47 mpg, making it an economical choice for long drives. Interior and comfort. The 2025 Civic impresses with its clean, modern cabin design, featuring seating for 5 with ample rear legroom. Honeycomb mapmaker dash concealing air vents for a sleek look. Standard heated seats, sunroof, and dual zero and climate control. The hatchback offers generous cargo space, perfect for road trips or weekend errands. Infotainment and connectivity. Stay connected with Honda's user-friendly tech. Standard 7-inch touchscreen, optional 9-inch display for hybrids. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless on larger screens. Available upgrades: 12-speaker Bose system, wireless charging, and in-dash navigation. Safety and warranty. As the Civic boasts a robust suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, warranty coverage, 3 years/360,000 miles limited warranty, 5 years/600, zero miles powertrain warranty, 8 years/100,000 miles for hybrid components. Final verdict: why choose the 2025 Honda Civic? The 2025 Civic continues to be a standout in the compact car segment, with its hybrid innovation, fuel efficiency, and refined design. While the non-hybrid models feel slightly underpowered, the hybrid's blend of power and efficiency makes it a compelling choice. Whether you're a commuter, a tech enthusiast, or simply love a fun-to-drive car, the Civic delivers across the board. Competition note, the Civic faces stiff competition from the Toyota Prius and Hyundai Elantra, but its reputation for reliability and balanced performance gives it an edge. Thank you for watching this comprehensive review. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the 2025 Honda Civic over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Finally.